These are some 8 niche that I'm 100% sure safe sa bagong YouTube policy. If you are creating faceless YouTube automation at alam mo na kung ano yung bagong YouTube policy, malamang sa malamang kinakabahan ka na kung isa ka ba sa tatamaan ng policy na yon. At masasayang nga ba lahat ng effort mo, lahat ng puyat, pagod na ginawa mo para sa channel mo na yon and hindi man lang siya monetize. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ka ng bagong niche at isa ka naman bagong creator na gusto mo mag-start with YouTube automation, I think you found the best video para sa'yo. Okay, I will share you guys 8 niches. At lahat to is long form videos, wala ditong shorts. Okay, let's start. Una-una sa lahat, sa listahan natin is itong Nonagon. Meron siyang 80,000 subscribers, 14 videos, and 9.6 million views. What they do is ito, puro explanation video. This is a explanation videos. Ito niya. Okay, muna tayo sa pinaka-popular video nila. Fiction Most Evil Villains Explained in 8 minutes. Let's click.
AM, Allied Master Computer, or AM, is the main antagonist of Harlan Ellison's I Have No Mouth and I Must Scream. AM is a sentient supercomputer created during World War III that wiped out humanity, leaving only 5 survivors. Instead of ending their lives quickly, AM spends eternity.
Sobrang dali nitong gawin, guys. This is a voiceover. This is a voiceover plus stock videos plus AI videos or AI pictures, stock pictures. Combine them together, that's it. You have 2.7 million views na videos. You can apply this to different topics. Mayari, ito. Fiction Most Evil Villains Explained in 11 minutes. And then, maghanap ka lang ng mga villain dyan. Sobrang daming villain. Sobrang daming. Pwede kang mag-start with movies. Pwede kang mag-start with animes, cartoon characters, TV series. There's a lot villains out there na pwede mong gawa ng videos. As you can see dito, fiction smartest characters explained in 9 minutes. Pwede mo rin gawin. O kaya naman, you can start with presidents, dictators. There's a lot of topic na pwedeng i-cover netong type of content na to. Explainer videos lang naman siya. Yung editing niya hindi rin naman ganun kahirap. I don't know bakit hindi pa kayo gumagawa ng mga long form videos. After na, meron tayong the hidden menu and then the airport tips and tricks. Meron tayo dito the hidden menu. The hidden menu, where fast food supermarkets and great deals get put under the microscope. There are, ito sa popular videos nila. Don't eat food in these 6 restaurants. Here's why. Pag nabasa mo tong title na to, makikurious ka agad. Ano yung 6 restaurants na yun? And then these pictures is 100% AI generated. Itong mga thumbnail na to is AI generated. Let's watch.
If you eat at these 6 popular restaurants, you might be biting off more than you can chew. You may want to finish this video before you finish your fries, because once you hear what these chains are hiding, your appetite might just disappear faster than a lunchtime special at half price. Let's start with the crowd favorite, Applebee.
Actually, yung Nonagon and then this one is same type of content. They are just creating explainer videos. They are using stock photos, stock videos, and then yung script nga nito is 100% AI eh. Halata eh. Yung script niya is 100% AI. You know, walang masyadong magarbong editing style, wala masyadong animation na ginagawa. You just need to get a good topic. Kahit wala kang video editor, kahit sarili mo lang, kayang-kaya mo itong gawin. Kung hindi nyo pa rin alam kung paano kayo magsisimula, meron akong in-upload na video, yung YouTube Blueprint. You should watch that. O kaya naman kung paano ako nag-step by step on creating a new niche. Kung paano ko siya hinihimay. Pwede nyo panoorin dyan. Andyan lahat yan sa YouTube ko. Okay, itong the hidden menu and then itong airport tips and tricks are both same. Pili ko nga, isa lang may-ari na ito eh.
11 hidden flight tricks airlines are keeping quiet about on purpose. Ever get the feeling airports are quietly playing games with us? Airports are full of secrets. From the moment you arrive, everything from where you...
They are just using stock videos. Walang masyadong magarbong editing style. Stock videos, stock photos, that's it. Ang kailangan mo lang talaga is a good topic. Yun lang talaga. Good topic and then you're good to go. Pwede ka na mag-retire. Okay. Primate economics, primitive education, and ape static. Ang nag-start nitong 2D animation na to, na napanood ko talaga, I think is Primate Economics. They create a new niche talaga. Explainer videos, but 2D. 2D yung video nila, I'm pretty sure napanood nyo na to. And then, lahat ng gumaya at sumunod sa type of content nito is nag-gain ng views. Primitive education, and then ape static. Marami pang iba, marami pa dyan. Pero lahat ng sumunod sa yapak nito is they did great. Sobrang ganda ng outcome. I'm pretty sure malamang sure ako napanood nyo na yung mga videos nila. If you have I think nagawan ko na din to ng content. If you have a background on drawing, you should try. Pero actually, itong primitive education AI generated lang to eh.
That client review was brutal.
We're gonna be underwater for
Shouldn't include hair, eye color, height, and other thing like anti-sick strength, like fighting invisible bug that crawl
See?
inside body.
Compared dito kay Primate na I'm pretty sure this is may nano-mano yung pagdodrawing. Kay Caveman is AI generated. I-adapt nyo tong topic na to and then patungan nyo ng bago. Katulad nito, sila yung nagsimula, Primate Education, and ginawa ng Primitive Education. So, Caveman naman siya. And dito, Ape. And credit card explained with bananas. So, Ape, nag-explain siya ng topics using bananas. So naman, they are explaining a topic, pero Caveman naman na nag-explain. Lalaruin nyo lang talaga yung topic na yan eh. Lalaruin nyo lang talaga yung niche na yan, and then you will create a new niche. Yan lang guys. Okay. Rojo Rush. Ito naman, what I like about this is yung thumbnail design nila. Malamang sa malamang, this is a clickbait thumbnail. No? Pero ang kagandahan kasi dito, if you create a clickbait thumbnail and then gumawa ka naman ng magandang content, they will like your content. Pero kung naglagay ka ng clickbait thumbnail tapos ang pangit pa ng video mo, malamang dislike ang aabotin mo.
From having all your bones broken to your face being wrecked. These are the 10 most devastating wrecks in bull riding history. At number 10, Cody Johnson hung up on big money.
Very much in the hunt.
Diba? This is a compilation video, commentary videos. Di nyo pa ba napapansin? Kung ano yung ito mga March 8 lang ginawa, 4.9k subscriber, 14 videos, 2.4 million views agad. Hindi nyo ba napapansin kung saan talaga papunta ang YouTube, ang faceless YouTube? They are inclining more sa commentary videos, compilation videos. If hindi pa kayo sumabay, baka maging late na kayo. Kung ano yung topic na alam nyo guys, you should create a video about that. Lagi nyo tandaan yan. Ito, one of the hindi ko pa rin sure kung paano to nag-gain ng 280k views in just 1 month. New channel lang ta. Is a new channel. This is a old channel. Old channel to, pero alam ko bago lang yung pagkakagawa. Pinalitan lang siguro yung name and then yung username. Di na nga naglagay ng picture, Videos about mega projects all across the world. 270k views. One video pa lang, 1.4. And
right now,
yung videos
Texas
niya.
is building bigger and bolder than almost anywhere else in the world. From high-speed rail systems and billion-dollar freeways to energy giants rising in the desert, these mega projects are transforming the Lone Star State in real time. Today, we reveal Texas's mega projects under construction and why what's happening here is setting the tone for the future of American infrastructure. The Harbor Bridge Replacement Project in Corpus Christi, Texas,
This is a compilation videos with a voiceover. No fancy editing, walang text, wala nga text dito wala nga text, oh. Kahit text wala. Videos lang, pictures lang, voiceover, and then pwede na kayo sa script, pwede na sa script, pwede na kayo gumamit ng ChatGPT. You can start kung malamang sa Pilipinas tayo, pwede kayong gumawa ng Philippines Mega Project under construction in 2025. Yes, nasa Pilipinas ka. Medyo mababa ang RPM, but if maraming views ang magigain mo, why not? That's free money. Di ba? Huwag kayo mag-focus sa US content. Katasan nyo yung Pilipinas, guys. Kinukurakot na lang din naman tayo ng gobyerno natin. Bakit hindi pa natin katasan? Make a video. Get the money. That's it. Okay. Before fire. This is a unique content. Unique video na sa tingin ko sila pa lang ang gumawa. Ano ginagawa nila? What did caveman actually do all day? This type of content, yung thumbnail nila, malamang 100% AI generated yan. Pwede nyong gawin dito is create a new topic around this niche. For example, if familiar kasi history, we've been colonized by the Spain for almost 300 years. You can make a video about that. What did Spain do sa loob ng 300 years sa pagko-colonize nila sa Pilipinas? O kaya naman, what did ninjas actually do all day? What did monks actually do all day? O kaya naman, gods and goddesses, mga mythological figures. Laruin nyo yung topic, create a new topic around this niche, and you will create a new video, and then you will get, and I'm pretty sure you will get views. Tignan nyo how were people with Down syndrome treated in prehistoric times? What actually happened in prehistoric battles? Actually, this topic, mapapa-click ka talaga eh. Ano nga ba talaga ginagawa ng caveman dati? Yeah, laruin nyo lang yung topic. Laruin nyo lang. Para makapag-gain kayo ng bagong video. Ito naman, Ultras FCTV 2. This is ito yung second channel nila. Ang ginagawa nila dito is they are compiling videos. I found Matthias Tel's last 19 shots. I found Romeo Lavia's last 15 dribbles. I found Kota Takai's last 14 tackles. There's a lot of sobrang daming sports, guys. You can do this on basketball, baseball, badminton, bowling. Sobrang dami. And then this type of thumbnail, tali lang gawin yan. Okay, para naman.
Pedro Porro across to Manchester to meet in the middle of midfield, and here's Manchester looking for that ball.
Vicaria. What about on the move? Terrific acceleration.
And the deflection carrying it wide. Spurs. Dookie to tell.
Diba? Compilation videos lang siya. What I think you should do, kung gagawa kayo ng ganito, lagyan nyo ng voiceover, commentary, and a little bit editing. And then you're good to go. Safe na safe ka na. Monetizable na yan. Okay. Last but not the least, Pass Shatters. History Hidden Gems. Okay. Yan na yun. Yan na yung topic nila. Kung ano yung title nila, yun na yung topic nila. So, let's watch one of their popular videos.
Have you ever stumbled upon a photo that completely
AI
changed your
generated.
perspective on history? In today's episode of Past Shutter, we're diving into 100 rare historical images that will blow your mind. From shocking photos that reveal untold stories to iconic snapshots that transport you back in time, each image holds a secret waiting to be uncovered. But trust me, you won't believe what you'll see in number 18.
This is 100% AI generated. Pero bakit safe pa rin sila sa bagong YouTube policy? Because they are creating, kasi ini-edit nila yung videos nila. And then they are educating people. Ano nga ba talaga nangyari?
It's a vintage gem that's as breathtaking as it is shocking. So, get ready to embark on this visual journey.
So I'm pretty sure naman that is 100% AI generated. Walang pagkakaila. And this is safe sa bagong YouTube policy kasi hindi naman to copy paste, hindi naman to templated video. Ine-edit nila, nag-add sila ng sarili ng touch to that, kung ano may kinukuha nilang pictures o kaya photos, kung ano may kinukuha nilang photos o kaya videos sa internet, ine-edit nila yun. Nag-add sila ng sarili nilang they are adding a different touch to that video at para maging educational siya sa atin, para maging educational siya sa mga nanonood. Ayun guys. Ayan. And that's it. Kung natapos yung video na to, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung may natutunan nun kayo, please like, share, and subscribe to the video para mas marami pang makanood and then mas marami matuto if they are doing YouTube automation. Kung gagawin nyo man tong mga niche na tinuro ko sa inyo, update nyo ako kung anong magiging result. And ayun na guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Peace.